Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just made a video earlier today on this vine and made it into a square. And before I shut it down, I thought, you could put it around any shape, but to put it around any shape, you'd want half of it. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a line, holding down the control button so it's perpendicular and then hit. I'm not working in the center of the page, so I'm going to select both these and I'm going to go CE. That put it in the middle, but it's not perfectly in the middle because the drawing isn't perfect. I'm going to take the line and try to move it more to the center. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and now fill in that. And now we have half of it. I'm going to take this and I'm going to left click, right click. I can go ahead and delete these right here. And I've got a pentagon. I put it in the center of the page. I'm going to bring in some indexing lines and put them in the center of the page. And then bring another one and put P. Well, I do not have it in the center of the page, so now it's in the center of the page. And this is a pretty good lesson because I'm going to show you how to, after you've slanted something, and then how you can rotate it. Well, first of all, we need to do one more thing. We need to measure this line to see how long this line is. So from there to there it is, whoop, I use the line tool. I need the parallel dimension tool. Node to node, we got 2.95. So we're going to make our drawing with our ratio locked so it doesn't stretch it out too much, 2.95. So now our drawing is the same length or close. And we're going to take our shape and bring it into the picture and rotate a little bit and get it more, kind of want that in the center, but maybe down a little bit because we want these leaves touching, and we're going to put it like right there. Now, as you see, when we click on this, it's already at 19 degrees. Well, we could plus 60 degrees to it, but here's a good little lesson. We need to move our polygon out of the way and take our shape, and now it is at 0. And just a second, when I move it back, go back to the pick tool, delete that, take both these, select both of them, and right click or right arrow it. We're going to take this shape and Control D, double click on the X right there and move the center rotation of the center. Sometimes it doesn't look like it is, but it is. And we're going to rotate it 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Pretty good. It could actually be a little bit longer or down a little bit. So I'm going to back up here. Let's put it a little bit further down so the leaves are kind of touching. Let's take that and delete it. Matter of fact, we could actually probably stretch a little bit here. Now, Control D and make a duplicate. Click on your X right there and move your center rotation. Once again, it doesn't look like it is, but it is. We'll rotate that 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now, to make this weld good, you need to move your polygon out of the way. And then we're going to take all this and we're going to weld it. And look at it. Now we're going to take our Smart Fill tool and Smart Fill it, and there you have it in the shape of a pentagon. You could do it in a circle, with littler vines, but that would make a pretty good border for something. I maybe have too many leaves in the middle, and I could have doctored that up before I welded it, but it just all depends on what look you want. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.